Let's face it, if you own a car, something is going to break at some point. In fact, you may have even purchased a used vehicle that has existing issues with it. To make matters worse, the vast majority of us don't spend our time researching how a car works, even though we spend thousands of dollars yearly on one. When it's time to take the car into the shop to get it fixed, the last thing you want is to appear naive and get swindled. Luckily, mechanics are letting us in on some tips and tricks to avoid being taken advantage of at the shop. This is a crucial first step to ensure a visit to the mechanic won't cost you a fortune. Before you authorize any repairs, get a written estimate from the mechanic. The estimate should list the work that will be done, the parts that will be replaced, and the estimated cost of the repairs. That way, you know what price you can expect. But before we start, smash the like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming stories. Have you ever questioned whether a replaced car part actually needed changing? Many mechanics recommend asking for your old parts back after a repair. This lets you visually confirm wear and damage and also gives you a reference in case issues arise later. It's a simple habit that adds transparency and helps you understand what was really done to your vehicle. Beyond that, choosing the right repair shop makes a major difference in both cost and trust. Checking reviews, asking friends for recommendations, and looking for consistently positive feedback can help you avoid poor service. Keeping a detailed maintenance record is also useful since it tracks what has been repaired and when, making it easier to spot repeated issues and avoid unnecessary work. There are also practical ways to protect yourself financially when dealing with auto repairs. Some shops may suggest extra fixes that aren't urgent, so asking for clear explanations of each issue helps you separate real problems from optional work. Comparing part prices and understanding compatibility can also reduce costs, especially for routine maintenance. Finally, always request a written estimate before authorizing any repair so you know exactly what you're paying for and can avoid unexpected charges. Don't hesitate to ask for clear explanations when dealing with car repairs. A trustworthy mechanic should be able to break down what's being fixed, why it's necessary, and how it affects the vehicle. It's also important to recognize warning signs, especially when urgency is used as pressure. Some shops may try to push immediate repairs by claiming your car is unsafe to drive without providing detailed justification. In such cases, getting a second opinion is a smart safeguard, particularly for major or expensive work. Building a consistent relationship with a reliable mechanic can also improve long-term service quality, since familiarity with your vehicle's history often leads to more accurate diagnostics and fewer unnecessary recommendations. Finally, understanding basic car maintenance gives you a significant advantage. Knowing how to check oil, coolant, tire pressure, and air filters makes it easier to spot real issues early and avoid unnecessary replacements. Even simple habits like keeping records of maintenance and asking for written invoices create a strong paper trail that protects you from disputes and helps track long-term costs. Car repair costs are not always completely fixed, and in many cases there is some room for discussion. Mechanics may be willing to adjust labor rates or offer small discounts, especially when multiple repairs are being done at once. The key is preparation. Knowing average prices beforehand and calmly referencing other quotes can signal that you're informed, which often leads to more reasonable pricing discussions. Another important layer of protection comes from how you pay and what guarantees you receive. Using a credit card can provide an extra safety net through dispute or purchase protection if the service is not completed properly. Finally, clarity and documentation are your strongest tools. Always request a detailed invoice and compare it against the original estimate to ensure no unexpected charges were added. It also helps to take photos of your vehicle before handing it over so any disputes about damage can be resolved with evidence. Being aware of common repair scams and picking up the car promptly after service further reduces the risk of extra fees or avoidable problems. Picking up your car promptly after repairs is one of the simplest ways to avoid complications. The longer a vehicle stays in a workshop, the higher the chance of accidental scratches, minor dings, or even storage-related fees. By collecting it as soon as the work is finished, you reduce exposure to unnecessary risk and ensure you receive the vehicle in the same condition it was left. Beyond timing, consistent preventive maintenance plays a major role in avoiding stressful and expensive visits to the mechanic. Following the manufacturer's service schedule, regular oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid checks keeps systems stable and reduces the likelihood of sudden breakdowns. At the same time, building basic knowledge of core components like brakes, battery, and alternator helps you understand repair explanations more clearly and prevents confusion when technical terms are used. Preparation also strengthens your position when dealing with estimates and diagnostics. Checking part prices online and comparing them with shop quotes can highlight inflated costs, while tools like OBD2 scanners or diagnostic apps provide insight into error codes before you agree to repairs. It's also important to stay cautious with free inspections or overly friendly upsells, as these can sometimes lead to unnecessary recommendations. Documenting your car's condition with photos before and after service adds another layer of protection, ensuring any disputes about damage can be resolved with evidence rather than assumptions. Car repair decisions sit at the intersection of safety, cost, and information asymmetry, so the core strategy is reducing uncertainty before authorizing anything. Start by distinguishing between OEM parts and aftermarket equivalents. OEM parts match factory specifications exactly, ensuring predictable fit and performance, while aftermarket components vary widely in quality but can significantly reduce cost. Control also comes from process discipline. Always request itemized documentation before and after service, including invoices and replaced parts when available, and compare quotes when something feels inconsistent. Use small, low-risk services first to evaluate a shop's transparency and technical consistency before committing to major repairs. For broader oversight, monitor official recall databases using your vehicle's VIN so you're not paying privately for manufacturer-covered issues. Together, these practices shift you from passive customer to informed decision-maker, which is the main lever for avoiding unnecessary costs or poor service outcomes. Bringing someone experienced with you to a repair shop can significantly reduce the risk of miscommunication or unnecessary expenses. A second set of informed eyes helps validate diagnoses, question vague explanations, and identify upselling attempts that might otherwise go unnoticed. This is especially useful if you're unfamiliar with automotive systems, since mechanics often rely on technical language that can obscure whether a repair is actually necessary. Over time, repeated exposure to these situations also builds your own baseline understanding, gradually reducing dependence on external help. Cost awareness is another critical layer of protection. Before authorizing any work, comparing estimates with market averages via sources like RepairPal or Kelley Blue Book helps establish a realistic pricing range and exposes inflated labor or parts charges. It's also essential to verify warranty coverage, since many repairs may already be partially or fully covered depending on the manufacturer's terms and service conditions. Combine this with strict control over authorization, requiring written approval for each repair, clarifying labor rates in advance, and refusing bundled or duplicate labor charges, and you significantly reduce the risk of billing manipulation. Finally, after-service validation matters. A short test drive immediately after pickup ensures that any unresolved issues are caught while the shop is still responsible for the work. A key safeguard in any repair situation is resisting urgency-based pressure. When a shop pushes for immediate approval, it often reduces your ability to compare prices, verify necessity, or seek a second opinion. Legitimate repairs can usually be paused long enough for review unless there is an immediate safety risk, and a reputable technician will clearly distinguish between urgent and can-wait issues. Slowing the decision process, requesting written estimates, and cross-checking the problem using reliable references or another shop helps neutralize this tactic. Another strong control point is information. Your vehicle's manual is a baseline authority for maintenance intervals and required services, and it should take precedence over generalized recommendations. Many unnecessary services arise from deviation from manufacturer schedules rather than actual vehicle needs. Pair this with insistence on itemized billing, clear technical explanations, and full breakdowns of labor and parts to eliminate vague or bundled charges. Over time, combining documentation discipline with awareness of consumer protection rules and the option to walk away from unclear or pressured situations creates a structured defense against overcharging and non-essential work. Thank you for watching. If you like this story, don't forget to hit the like button, subscription, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming stories.